Hello, this is Keith Hall, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how we can create this, what you see on the screen, which is how we can use text to have shadows behind it. So it's a very easy process of what I did here on the screen. Well, let's go to a new canvas. I'm going to create some text. You could play around with the font that you want and the colors that you want. So now I'm going to press Control T to transform on a PC. Then I'm using the Shift Alt combination by clicking and dragging to resize it. Let's move this over. I'm going to press Enter to apply that. And now what I want to do is I'm going to make a couple duplicates of this layer. So I'm pressing the shortcut key Control J on a PC. Okay, on the bottom layer I'm going to change the color to a slightly darker color than what's up on top. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do the same thing with this. And I know that you can't see the changes yet, but you will in a second. So I'm going to do the second layer. Double click on the thumbnail to highlight the whole thing. Come up here to the toolbar. And then I'm going to make a different color. Click OK there. Let's apply those changes. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom layer and I'm going to use the move tool. And I'm just going to move it down slightly. And then over to the right. Like that. I'm going to go to the second layer and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm still on the move tool. And I'm going to move this middle layer down and to the right. So we got this a little bit of shadow working here. As you can see, the three different colors behind it. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom layer and let's add a drop shadow. And there you go. So this is just one way that you could use shadows behind your text. And you could create multiple effects. Now, like if I zoom in here, you could see that it almost looks like there's a 3D effect, but there isn't in this case because I'm not making a solid layer adjustment between these two. If I did, I would be able to close up these ends right here like that. So let's zoom out. So this is just one way, a different technique and a different look for your shadows. Hopefully you learned something today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification. So every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified with it. And also please like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know any other ideas for future tutorials in the comments below. Thanks again for supporting this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.